Google Messages RCS chat texting. RCS is an acronym for Rich Communication Services. Turns Android SMS texting into a chat app. Samsung Galaxy mobile devices support the service. Texting on Android is more like iMessage where available. Also, a comparable experience to Facebook Messenger, but doesn't have the same encryption as WhatsApp. Messages is a separate app by Google. Wireless carriers may need to support it as well. Download from the Google Play Store. Download and install it. After, open it up. Then, set it as your default SMS, short message service. Dark mode is available. Bigger emojis with detailed graphics. Photos are easier to insert. Voice commands work with it. Plus, animated stickers and GIFs. Google Messages on Android is a serious upgrade in the user experience. Moves texting up a notch to the next level. Get the Rich Communication Service, RCS, for better texting.